Oye, ki haal chal oye? Welcome back to my channel Biker Gyaani. Today I am going to tell you about new LS2 helmet which is launched in India. This is LS2 FF811 Vector-2, which is a fantastic road touring helmet which I am going to unbox and show it to you right now. You'll get a box like this, a fantastic looking box. You'll open it like this and you'll get helmet with cover. Okay. It's pretty lightweight, and along with this helmet you'll also get, we'll keep the box aside, this is Pinlock 100% vision. Pinlock lens, which is anti-fog lens for the helmet, and this is neck cushion for your riding comfort. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the helmet. Wow, this looks so perfect. It's pretty lightweight as well. It's a fiberglass helmet. This is HPFC material, that is high performance fiber composite material, and it's looking amazing. It also has a dual visor inside. If you want to open the visor, you have to press the button and take it up. The mechanism is very smooth, and there's a visor, sun visor inside. It's pretty big. There are two air vents in the front. One is down and one is up. You can open both. Then there are two air ventilations on the head. And this is ISI certified according to Indian standards. It is also ECE certified, ECE 2206, which is the latest in ECE certification, but it has ISI printed as per Indian norms. Most amazing thing in this helmet is its mechanism on the visor. I'll show you how. This mechanism actually looks like a mechanism. Have a look. It works like a watch. You see? And this Allen key is to open this screw if you want to change the mechanism. Pretty good, right? The cushions inside are pretty soft and looks very comfortable. Morph anatomic padding, which is bacteria free, and it's a special type of material they have used to keep you in comfort while wearing the helmet. And it also has emergency pull straps. In case of any accident or something, you can just pull the straps, paddings, and paddings will come out of your helmet. And it has metal quick release. There is also speaker pockets inside, which is pretty big. If you have bigger speakers, it can fit very comfortably in this helmet. So this is the helmet LS2 FF811 Vector-2 road touring helmet. If you want to use it on the very high speed, you can just go with the helmet. And if you want to go for any helmet which is more than 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees, you can go for this helmet. So now let's talk about the weight of the helmet. The weight of the helmet is around 1400 grams plus minus 50. What matters most is not the weight but the weight distribution. So let's check the weight distribution of the helmet. I have a trick how to check it. So let's watch. So take a stick and rest your helmet on the stick. You see the weight distributed properly. It's not falling anywhere. It's not tilting anywhere. You see how balanced it looks like? See, you keep it anyhow, it will balance itself. perfect. So this will not give any back pain, neck pain while you ride your bike.
So we'll just have a quick recap of what we have shown you. This helmet is FF811 Vector-2, which is a superb road touring helmet. You have to press this button to open the visor, otherwise it will not open. Yeah, bigger dual visor inside. Air ventilation systems on the front. Air ventilation on the top. ISI Certified for Indian standards. This is HPFC, high performance fiberglass composite. This is ECE 22.06, which is the latest one. Inside, the paddings are very smooth and comfortable. Helmet lock is metallic quick release. Metallic quick release. And you also have a Bluetooth speaker pocket inside, which is very good for touring if you want to talk, if you want to listen to music on your ride.
And if you like this helmet and if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Pe Thoko. Yo.